In manufacturing, downtime is inevitable. Delays don't have to be. When any machine in your production line goes down, the risk of bottlenecking increases. Without accumulation, your entire system slows to the pace of its weakest point, limiting your production potential to the combined performance of all interconnected machines. Those limitations lead to lost time and revenue, as well as a frustrated staff. A line analysis from the experts at Garvey can help your line run reliably. We'll work with your team to identify your constraint and strategically place accumulators, providing a buffer to keep your constraint running. When the constraint functions at maximum capacity, the whole system runs more efficiently. Line analysis clients have increased productivity by up to 30%, maximizing throughput and boosting profitability. Don't let downtime disrupt your bottom line. Schedule a consultation at garvey.com/line-analysis.